The first step in using the Monday.com platform is signing up the team through the landing page in the Monday website. The link will show up in the video's description. After pressing the Get Started button, you can enter your name at the Full Name tab and the team's name and account name. From there, you will continue to answer the questions. Those will not affect the account itself and are used for statistical information of Monday. After these steps, you can start and invite team members. The invite is done by entering the mail of the team members you want to invite or through an invite link. You can also invite members later through the invite button. After following these steps, you have created your Monday account with the FRC template. In order to prolong the account trial from 14 days to 1 year, you can enter the Monday form and fill out your account's detail, and the trial will be prolonged shortly. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Monday account. In this step, you can start to build the workspace fit to your from scratch, or use the pre-made FRC templates we prepared for you. We strongly recommend to meet with the team members that will use the platform and teach them how to do so, either by yourselves or with these videos. Together, you can discuss the use case that will fit to your team and even build the board together, in order to fit them to the team members themselves. We thank you for watching the video. You are welcome to write questions about the video in the comments.